Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you where is a rear window heater. So you can see it in Mercedes W203 and 209. So here it is our block CAM, and in this block you can see this one cable. So this cable is going to our rear window. So you need, here you can see our connection. So we have some errors in connection, so now we will just repair it and connect again our rear window. So I show you what cable is going to this rear window. So here you can see it, it's this cable. So you can find in your car this cable. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.